Yo, another day, another adventure with your homeboy Jermaine, and getting this vlog started off. I'm rushing out of here. I got a TaskRabbit gig that I gotta go to really fast, and then after that, I'm probably gonna, I don't know, maybe hang out for a little bit. But for now, I'm just rushing out of the house. I got the boosted board. It should be coming today. So I did bring the extra charger and extra battery. Do I really want cereal? I think I'm just gonna take this whole box of cereal with me. And yo, this is how I'm getting this video started. It's 9 a.m. in the morning and I'm off to the first TaskRabbit gig. This feels weird to actually have to be somewhere at 9 a.m. Cause yeah. It feels a little bit weird. I think I gotta go back the other way actually. Hours and hours later, this is what I've been working on. Check this out. Unboxing a whole bunch of computers. Like all of these. I unboxed all of these and broke down all the boxes. And I'm almost done. And now I just have to make sure all of these monitors work. Just kidding, that's not my job. Or at least not today. Yes, just finished that TaskRabbit gig, back outside, and oh man, it is so nice outside right now. It's definitely warmed up. It's not like cold and windy, and you know, it's lovely right now. I love it. And I just checked my email, and guess what just arrived? Boosted board number 2 just arrived, so I'm just gonna walk down to WeWork really fast and pick it up, go for a quick ride. It's gonna be so much fun. I can't wait. I haven't been on a boosted board in like, what, 6 weeks or something like that? Perfect timing right now, perfect timing. Ooh, I can't wait to get my BB. I can't wait to get up these stairs. I can't wait to get my boosted board, you know? Walking has been killing me, literally. Oh, wait, boosted board number 2, yo. Boosted board number 2. Oh my gosh, this is so much fun. I hope that this battery's charged a little bit. I'm like making the biggest mess right now. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's my new girlfriend, yo. Can't wait to sleep with you tonight. Check this out, I got a full battery. I am ready to ride. Let's check out this battery over here. Yeah, this one's full too. Like, what are we doing indoors? Let's go ride, yo. All right, not so fast. Have to do a quick firmware update so that the extended range battery will work with this board here. Looks like I have maybe 5 or 10 minutes to go, and then I am outdoors. Success, your board is ready to go. Let go. Okay, first time for everything. Time to switch out the extended range, or time to switch out the standard range for the extended range. Let's try this out. Okay, taking this one off. Now the tricky thing is this part right here. You gotta remove these guys, and you remove them with these two black things here. There we go. Connection is broken. First time. Just switched out the standard range battery for the extended range battery, and I must admit that was not the easiest thing in the world, but it was my first time doing it, and I also did it on this random street, but maybe it'll get easier the other times. Let's go ride. Okay, it just hit me. 100% battery, 9-mile range. 9 miles? No way. Holy cow, I almost forgot about this TaskRabbit gig that I went on. I have to bill the client, and this gig was intense, yo. Like, I thought I would be there for 2 or 3 hours, and I was there for 6 hours. I'm not knocking it at all. The payoff for this gig was $24.50, which is not bad, not bad. I did not have to run around and deliver things on a skateboard or on a bike, so yeah, I can take that. I can hang with that. So let's bill the client really fast before I forget. This is really bad. I should have did this like a long time ago, but it's totally fine. As long as it happens on the same day, I should be A-OK. So right now I'm sitting in Golden Gate Park. Like I say, I really like this extended range battery because I switched it when I was still on Market Street, and I rode all the way here, and now I have, let me see how many bars I have left on here. I have 4 bars flashing, so I got roughly 3 bars left. Let's power the battery back off. So I got 3 bars left, so that should be plenty of battery to get me back downtown. Looks like I'll head back downtown, charge both batteries, and then I don't know, maybe go on some rides again. It is on the chilly side right now. It's not super sunny like it was earlier. The sun is actually going down. It's tucking behind those trees over there. I think it may not be a bad idea for me to make it back downtown before the sun goes down, because it's really gonna cool off after the sun goes down. Let's let's keep riding. I'm having a blast right now. Let's keep jamming out. Takes a minute to get used to.